Hey there guys, welcome back to day 4 of Vlogmas, today with a Christmassy cookie recipe. You want to start out with your butter in a bowl, and this butter should be at least room temperature, a little bit warm. You want to add your brown sugar to that, and then also a pinch of salt. And then you want to beat that until you can see a drastic change in the texture. I would say about 5 minutes at least. So just mix. When it looks something like that, you can go ahead and add in the first egg. And mix that in. And then add the second egg. Next, you want to go ahead and add half of the flour. And then mix that in as well. Then you want to add the second half of the flour as well as the ground almonds. And then I used some Christmassy spices. But you can use whatever spices you like. This is a pre-made mixture. And then I also added more cinnamon to that, because this is supposed to be a cinnamon cookie. And then you want to go ahead and knead that dough. And then put it in the fridge for an hour. Now we're back, and you want to roll it out with some flour. You don't want to make these too thin, because then they will get a little bit crumbly. And then you want to cut out your shape. So whatever you want to do. I just did these squares because that's what the recipe said, but you could get real creative with these. Then you can go ahead and decorate them with almonds or other nuts that you like. And then finally you want to bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how crispy and dark you want them. So I think these are perfect for the Christmas time. I hope you give them a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!